Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss about the different variables we use in our OOPS concept. So there are three types of variables: instant, static and local variable. So starting with our first variable, that is the instant variable. So instant variable is a objectable variable, and if the values of variable varied from object to object, then such a variable we called as instant variable. As for every object, a separate copy of instance variable is created inside it, and we just create or initialize instant variable by using the self. And here we just take one example where I just define a class and write init constructor, and I just initiate the instance variable here by using the word self. So self dot name is equal to name, self dot roll number is equal to roll number. So these are the instant variables, and here also inside the method I just define a variable called marks by using the by using self. So this is also a instance variable. So what are the various places where we can declare instance variable is that first is inside a constructor, that is here by using the self reference variable. Then there is another place that inside the method by using a self reference variable again. And there is third way that from it is for from outside the variable or outside the outside the class by using the object reference. So here whole class here is up to a dot display, where I can just call the method, and after that I create a new instance variable by using the object, that is a dot address is equal to New Zealand. So here I just defined three ways to declare instance variable. First is inside the constructor, then inside a method, and another is outside the class by using object reference. So if I run it, then nothing is there, so nothing I print here. So if I want to check now that how many total instance variable I just declare here, so I just print here print a dot underscore underscore dict underscore underscore, and if I run it, then it will give me the all instance variable that I declare in the above function, that is the name, roll number, marks and address. Four instance variable I declare in the above class: name, roll number, marks and address. So this is nothing but the instance variable where the places we are declare instance variable. And if we want to access the instance variable, then again within the class we can access by using the self reference variable, that is just print suppose my name is, and to access a self access a instance variable I just use the self reference variable, that is self dot name. And to access the variable outside the class, then we just write, or we can access by using the object reference. So here I create one object, suppose b dot roll number. So here I can access outside the class by using object reference. So I just run here, it will print a my name is Virat. So first variable I just access. Now what happened here? Here b is not defined. Oh sorry, I just use here a. So I have to use here a. So this is a way to just access a variable, instance variable inside a class by using self. So here just I access the instance variable inside the class by using the self reference variable, and to access a instance variable outside a class, that's it. That is, this is not but a whole class. Now to access outside a class after the a dot display, suppose here I access by using the object reference, that is a dot roll number. I can access the roll number here. So this is a way to access instance variable. Now if I want to delete, then I just use the del dot, suppose dot self dot name. So it just delete the reference, it just delete the instance variable for me. And now if I check whether the number is deleted or not, so I just here first run total number of instance variable. Now the total number of instance variable are only 3. Before it was the total number of instance variables are 4, that is name, marks, roll number and address. Now roll number, marks and address only. So one instance variable is deleted, that is del self dot name, here deleted. We can delete it outside the, this is a way to delete instance variable inside a class. To delete instance variable outside a class, then we just use here, for example, if I want to delete roll number, then I just use del object dot roll number, and I now want to print the total number of instance variable. So here are only two instance variable, that is mark and address. So this roll number is also deleted. Now if I want to modify the instance variable, then again inside a class by using self reference variable, and outside a class by using object reference variable, we can modify the any variable. So if I guess I want to modify the mark here, so inside a method I modify by using the self reference variable, and outside a class if I want to modify anything, then here also I can modify by using the object reference. So here I print, instead of New Zealand I print India, and I run it, then the marks is modified now, and also the address is modified. Here I modify marks inside a class by using self here, and here I modify the address outside a class by using object reference, that is a dot address. So this is all about the instance variable and various ways I just explain you that how we access, where are the various places where we can declare the instance variable, how we print the total number of instance variable available in our class, that is a dot underscore underscore date object reference dot underscore underscore date underscore underscore. This is a way to print total number of instance variable inside a class. And now how we access is, how we access inside a class, how we access outside of class by using cell, by using object reference respectively, then how we delete the instance variable and how we modify the instance variable. So I just hope you listen it carefully and you understand what is instance variable and how we use it inside a class. So thank you for watching.